Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever accidentally deleted your Hinge account or decided to take a break but now want to come back, you are in the right place. Today, we will be showing you exactly how to recover a deleted Hinge account step by step. So let's get started. Before we dive into the recovery process, first things first, make sure that your account is actually deleted. If you just paused your account, it's not gone forever. Hinge lets you temporarily hide your profile, so double check before proceeding. If you are not sure, try logging into your account using your usual email or phone number. If it's working, your account is still active. But if you get a message saying your account doesn't exist, then it's likely deleted. If your account is truly deleted, don't worry. You can reach out to Hinge support team for help. Here's how. Open the Hinge app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, go to My Hinge tab. Next, select Help Center. A new tab will open in your browser. Scroll down and click on the chat icon at the bottom right to start a conversation with Hinge customer support. When you get in touch with Hinge support, they'll likely ask for some details like the email address you used to register your account, your phone number, and any other relevant info that could help identify your account. The more details you provide, the easier it will be for them to assist you. After you have submitted your request, all you have to do is wait. Hinge will usually get back to you within a few days, depending on their support team's workload. In some cases, Hinge might not be able to recover your deleted account. If that's the case, don't worry. You can simply recreate a new account using your same email or phone number. Just keep in mind, your previous matches or conversations may not be restored, but you will be able to start fresh. And that's all there is to it. Recovering a deleted Hinge account can be a bit of a process, but with the right steps, it's doable. As a precaution, if you are considering leaving Hinge, I recommend pausing your account instead of deleting it. Once deleted, it's usually impossible to recover your account. Pausing your account is just as effective as deleting it since your profile will no longer be visible to others. But you can still log back in whenever you choose. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on apps, dating, and tech. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.